Hi, I'm Marty Nemko. This little article, essay, whatever, is called Gardening as Respite. I suspect I'm not alone in feeling increased need for respite. Apart from life's usual travails, there's now, for example, inflation, censorship of unwoke thought, an increase in indifference and downright meanness, even from people who claim to care about community. For me, gardening provides such respite. Let me expand. As we're now in spring, I dream of corn, as from they see in the movie and play Oklahoma, corn as high as an elephant's eye, yummy tomatoes to enjoy and share with neighbors, and roses with their uniquely beautiful flower form. I like playing in the dirt, like I did as a child. Now I do it though a little more purposefully. I pull weeds, I mix compost into the soil, and mush around. Feels good. I love gardening catalogs and nurseries. What seeds and plants should I buy and try? Favorites are a type of tomato called orange peruche, available online. Well, all these are not likely found in local nurseries, but the seeds are available online. Zinnia preciosa red, Preciosa red, beautiful. Corn ambrosia, a great variety of corn. A rose called Oso Easy, Italianized OSO for some reason. And geranium calliope dark red. Those are really premier varieties. And I live in California, so I get the pleasure of seeing my orange trees fruit and great smelling blossoms. I love the smell of orange blossoms. They are the precursor to next winter's fruit. If you live in an apartment and you can only grow things in a sunny window box, try the aforementioned geranium calliope dark red or marigold bonanza yellow, either from seed or you can get plants at your local nursery. So, when you're stressed, consider gardening as respite and anti-anxiety medication without side effects. In any event, that essay is called Gardening as Respite. As usual, I welcome your thumbs up and accept your thumbs down. I always look forward to your comments and especially like it if you hit the share button below. Share on your social media so that my efforts can have broader impact. And I am flattered if you choose to subscribe to my channel. And certainly would welcome you taking a look at any of my 32 books. Probably the one most relevant to this is How to Do Life. But all 32 are on Amazon. Just go there, search on my name, Marty Nemko, Nemko, and you will find more than you can stomach. In any event, I do thank you for watching. I am Marty Nemko.